Come on, Ma. Ooh. Ma, over here. Definitely a little bit more difficult. It keeps you in some good control here. It's not as easy as it looks, that's for sure. Come on, Ma. Might have to put her back up in the truck. Yeah, she's not liking this circle stuff. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around and go back the other way. Woo. Come on, Ma. You get lazy on me? This definitely will help your performance in your turns. More practice you do, more miles you put. Mama, over here. We're not going to the truck yet. Whoa. I'm definitely more fluent turning right than I was turning left. Ma. Change a different camera angle here. You put her back in the truck, love. Dog got a little tired, a little hot. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn around, go back to my right. Ooh. I think I have a little bit more control as I'm going right. So what I'm gonna practice is off the sidewalk and back on the sidewalk. It's not much of a transition, but it definitely gives you a lot more practice. They actually help with your skills and abilities when you accidentally run off the road. You won't be so worried about running off the road. In the beginning, I was really worried about, bumps and rocks and small edges and stuff like that. It really made me think twice. I think my fear of falling off the unicycle got me. But the more and more I ride the unicycle, I realize that it's just practice, and you need to do stuff that makes you uncomfortable to get you better. back around. Get that way. All the way over. There we go. A little bit more aggressive. Practicing your turns makes you so much better unicycle rider. A little pedal scrape there. And don't be scared to fall. Like I said before, if you're not falling, you're not learning. Doesn't mean you have to fall every single time, but pushing yourself is key to a unicycle. Having fun. Whew. Whew. A little workout on the core a little bit. It's a beautiful day. It's about 94 degrees out. I'm not sweating. I have a nice little breeze. Cool. I'm going to stretch my legs real quick. I'm going to run across this park, run back. Whew. I meant to do this yesterday, but I was a little set on the birthday party I was at. It was awesome. I love stuff like this. I always like hitting different terrains when I'm doing this stuff. All right. Do a little jump here. All right, cool. Awesome, that was a nice little ride. Peace out.